friends, welcome back to our channel, and this is your daily coding challenge problem 2. And in this problem statement, what we are going to do is, let's suppose you are creating a series of strings or alphabets, right? And it might look like something, say S equal to, and say you have a series of strings. Okay, so it might be A, B, E, M, say these four alphabets. Now the part of the problem statement is that if somebody gives you a number, say n is equal to 10, then what you must do is you must repeat this sequence so that the total number of element becomes 10. Okay, so that is the simple problem statement. Okay, so your updated string list of strings would look like A, B, E, M, and then because we have to reach a total of 10, then I will repeat the same sequence A, B, E, comma M, and then A, comma B. Okay, so this is the list of string that we are looking for. Okay, and once you have this new list, what you might want to count is the first character, that how many times did it repeat. So in this example, it repeated once, twice, and thrice. So the final output is 3. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Given any sequence of alphabets like this and given a base number like this, you have to first prepare a list which would look like this, and you have to return or find out the first element, how many times did it repeat after this list has been modified based on this sequence. So this is your daily coding challenge 2. So good luck, and I would also like to inform that our daily coding challenge will actually run from Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday is off. So if any question is posted on a Friday, the solution will be available on a coming Monday. All right, till then, all the best, and do take your time to write this first step by step as we saw in the solution 1, and also do check out our first problem that we shared yesterday, and keep practicing and let me know whether you face any challenge. Till then, you take care and have a great day.